just came to say hello.
Hi everybody, it's Katrina. Welcome to the Crafty Corner. So, you see that orange glow, you know. You see I got a hat on. It's a little bit cold out here. I can't work in gloves, so I don't have them on. But my hands are freezing, y'all. So, I am just bringing y'all some cute little concepts that I'm putting together today. I did manage to get today off. And make sure you all tune in tonight for our Friday Night Live. We will have, of course, you know, I always welcome you in, and we have our happy mail, and we do have some happy mail, y'all. So we will look at those things tonight. A couple of pieces of happy mail today. So I'm bringing you this video. Sorry about that, y'all. I had a call come in, but I'm bringing you this video for some other small concepts that we've done, and this is just one of them. All right, so for this, of course, this is a teens box. All right, and what we have in here is our Starburst candle. I also have the Sour Patch candy with the lip balm on top. Right there. Alright, and then we have our Red Bear keychain and our Tweety Bird bath bomb. I also have some candy kisses in here too. But that is how this turns out, and I think this turned out really cute. And this will make a very, very nice Valentine's Day gift for a teenager. So please tell me what you think down in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you tonight on the live, 7 p.m. sharp. Be blessed, but most importantly, y'all, be a blessing.
I just came to say